Hello guys, good morning and good evening to everyone. This is Antony Raj from Antony's Training and Solution, co-founder of learnhiring.com and learndatamodeling.com. I work as a data modeler, and in part-time, I'm doing like H1B immigration preparation, that is for H1B applications, L1 applications, green card applications. And this year what happened, like USCIS, that is United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, they introduced the online application form for filling H1B gap applications. There are several uses of this USCIS online application. And this year, with my known contacts, I got an opportunity to work on H1B Masters Cap, H1B Regular Cap, H1B Extension. For all of these things, I'm going to use this online application. Earlier, what happened? All forms were filled manually. Basically, USCIS in their website, they have forms. We need to download those forms, fill it, take printout, and whatever evidence is needed, we need to enclose that one, and we need to send it to USCIS address. So for information, USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, is the immigration bureau in United States, which works under the Department of Homeland Security. In brief, this year in March 2024, the H1B online selection process got started, and around, I think, in the last week of May, results were published by the USCIS, and for those petitions or applications which got selected in the lottery process, the employers must do online form filling. So one must understand that when I say H1B selection means the candidate is not selected. Okay. So you do have 85,000 applications as a cap in a year, and USCIS gets around 400,000 applications to 750,000 applications in a year. And because of that, they are not able to process the USCIS H1B work permit. So to avoid confusion, they introduced this H1B lottery process. So until last year, everything was filled manually and sent to USCIS service centers, which are located in various states, in California, Texas, right? If you go to the website, you can find that one. This year, what happened, since 750,000 applications were received last year, it was very difficult for USCIS to find out a solution for that one. So they introduced this online application system, and that is what I'm going to explain to you on a high level, okay? You must not think it is a detailed level. On a high level, you will get the hang of it. And those people who are working in recruitment, bench sales, account management, and as well as in H1B preparation, they will get an opportunity to know what are all things that are included in this H1B online application. I'm going to explain the high level about the USCIS online application, and as well as I'm going to take an example and explain what are the relevant documents that are needed to file that online application. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so this is what you see here. US Citizenship and Immigration Services. Okay, so you have my account, resources, and sign out. So one must have the username and password to log into this website. And after logging in, they will get different types of tabs here: my company, file a form, and my representatives. I have clicked file a form here. So it says select the form you want to file online. Okay. Here you can see I have selected I-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker. And this is the application that must be filed online along with the supported documents. Fine. So some kind of information is explained here about I-129 petition. Fine. Here you can see you may apply online if the requested eligibility classification is right. They mentioned about this one. Form I-129, what does it contain? That is explained here. So who may file Form 29, right? Eligibility, that is explained here. Okay, so the fees structure, right? That is explained here. What are the documents that are needed? That is explained here. Whether biometric services appointment is required or not, that is explained here. After submitting the petition, what happens, right? So basically, we can track the case online, and that is what it says. Receive a decision means whether the petition is approved or whether the petition is put under hold as RFE, request for more information, or the petition is rejected. So next step is complete your petition online, right? Filing online. And this is DHS, means Department of Homeland Security. Okay, so this is where the real application filling starts. Okay, here you can see what non-immigrant classification are you requesting, right? Is this H1B specialty occupation? That's what you see here. Let me increase the font size. Okay. On the left-hand side, what do you see here? About petitioner, about beneficiary, okay, employment, H classification supplement, and data collection. On the top of it, you can see I-129 petition for a non-immigrant worker. Okay. So that means this is the application which we used to fill manually earlier, which will contain 3 forms: I-129, H classification supplement, and the H1B data collection. Now, all of this information is filled online, and that is what you see here. Fine. Okay, so these are all questions, right? What is the next classification? What is the most recent petition number? Okay, so what we are trying to do, right? Is it change of status? Should we go to consulate? Okay, is it TN visa? That kind of information is here. Here you can see like whether a valid passport is there, whether this petition submitted for I-94 correction, any difference are filed with this petition. Fine. So you have a lot of things here. Okay. And on the left-hand side, you can see about petitioner, about beneficiary, employment, fine, classification supplement, data collection, and finally evidence, right? And finally review and submit. Okay. So when I came to this evidence section, I understood that what are the documents needed by USCIS, right? Let me scroll here. Yeah. Now you can see this one. Okay, this is about I-129 form and what is the evidence required. So first one, they're asking for LCA. Next one is about specialty occupation. The next one is about degree or specialized training, license and certificates. And then written contract or terms of agreement, passport or travel document, H1B registration selection notice, maintenance of status, these kind of things. Okay. So this is what I understood. After understanding this H1B online application form, I prepared myself to get the relevant documents from the candidate and to file it online. So yesterday, we completed 95% of the H1B online application form filling and uploading the documents in the relevant sections. Okay, in the next section, I'll show you what is the scenario and what documents I collected that will help you to give a high-level idea about the H1B preparation. Thank you very much.